Task 6. Disaster at the supermarket. In a supermarket, a woman with a very full cart headed toward the checkout line. As she passed the magazine stand, a corner of the stand caught a bag of oranges, ripped the bag open, and oranges spilled all over the floor. The woman stopped, picked up the oranges, and started again. A box of sugar tumbled from the cart. Then a tomato splattered at her feet. A clerk came up to assist her. "You must treat these groceries very well here," the customer said. "They're not eager to leave." The end of this story.